Friends, this car has a strange problem. The owner told me this car can only be started successfully in the morning. After starting, he dare not turn off the engine because after the car is turned off, it cannot be started. Let's try it. Look, the car starts now. The water temperature is also normal. Look here. Let's turn off the car. Try again. It really won't start. Do you know why? Let's go to the front and take a look. The owner has replaced the spark plugs, cleaned the throttle, replaced the fuel pump, and replaced the ignition coil. It cost $2,000. The problem was not solved. Let's see if we can solve this problem today. This is typical. Low engine temperature, the car starts easily. High engine temperature, the car cannot start. Generally speaking, it is because the water temperature sensor behind the engine is broken. The water temperature sensor will adjust the amount of fuel injection of the car according to the temperature. If it breaks, the car will not start. But look, this water temperature sensor is new. This means that the sensor has been replaced. So the problem is not here. In fact, there is another part that is also related to the temperature control of the engine, and it is a part that many repair shops tend to overlook. Come, look here. That's it. It's called the intake air temperature sensor. I now suspect that it is broken. Let's take it apart and have a look. The disassembly method is very simple. There is not a single screw. Let's unplug this plug first. There is a mechanism here. If we loosen it a little, the sensor can be taken out. Good. Now it has been disassembled. Let's take a look. Great. The cause of the problem was found. Look at this. Oh my God. This sensor is covered with black sludge. No wonder the car failed to start. The cause of the problem has been found. The solution is simple. Let's spread paper towels on the ground. Then use a bottle of cleaner to clean the sludge. Wow, it's so dirty. This sensor is used to detect the intake air temperature. If it is too dirty, the vehicle computer will not receive the correct temperature signal, which will affect the fuel injection amount. So when the engine temperature is high, the car cannot start. Look, it's like new. Next, let's install it back. See if the problem is solved. It is also very easy to install. We just need to align this hole, then gently push it in. When you hear a click, it is installed. Finally, put the plug back in. Okay, all have been installed. Next, let's start the car. Let's see if the problem is solved. Friends, if the problem has been solved, please light up the like next to it to support me. Next, it's time to witness a miracle. Please believe me. Step on the brake, shift to P gear. Come on. Let's power up the car and try it out. The water temperature is all normal. Let's start the car. Did you see it? Success. The car is very powerful. Let's do it again. Did you see it? It started successfully again. Let's go to the front and take a look. Look here, the engine is running very smoothly. The problem has been completely solved. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn about cars every day.